Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Miss English podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and natural. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. It's wonderful to have you with us again. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, David. I'm very excited because today we have a super useful topic.
Ooh, exciting. I like that. What are we talking about today?
We're going to talk about something that makes your English sound much more natural. Phrasal verbs.
Phrasal verbs. Emily, this sounds difficult. It sounds like grammar. It sounds hard.
Don't worry, David. Phrasal verbs are actually easy. They're just small words we put together with verbs. Once you know them, your English will sound much more fluent.
Okay, if you say so, let's make it easy and fun.
Perfect. But before we start, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please take 1 second to click subscribe and give this episode a big thumbs up.
And if you can, share it with a friend or family member who is learning English. It helps our channel grow, and we really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
All right, David, what is a phrasal verb?
I'm not sure.
It's simple. A phrasal verb is a verb like look or put, plus a small word like on, up, for, or off.
So a verb and a small word?
Yes, and when we put them together, the meaning often changes.
Oh, a new meaning.
Exactly. For example, the verb look. You look with your eyes.
I look at the sky. I understand look.
Great. But what about look for?
Is it searching?
Yes, look for means to search for something.
I say, I am looking for my keys every morning.
Perfect. You already know a phrasal verb.
Let's see 3 important phrasal verbs with look. Look for, to search. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Look forward to be excited about something in the future.
Okay, let's try them.
I look for my phone.
Yes, and look after?
It means to take care. For example, can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation?
I look after my friend's cat. Got it.
And finally, look forward to.
That means I'm happy about something?
Exactly. I look forward to the weekend.
I am looking forward to my birthday.
Perfect. That's positive and friendly.
Next verb, put.
I put my coffee on the table. Simple.
Yes, but with phrasal verbs, put on, to wear something. I put on my jacket. Put away, to tidy or place something in the correct spot. Please put away your toys. Put off, to delay or postpone. I put off my homework until tomorrow.
Each one is very different.
Yes, and all very useful in everyday English.
Next, get.
Oh yes, this one has many phrasal verbs.
Get up, to get out of bed. I get up at 7 a.m. Get on, get off, to enter or exit a bus, train, or bicycle. Get in, get out, to enter, exit a car or taxi. Get along with, to have a good relationship. I get along with my colleagues.
So, big things, get on. Small things, get in. Got it.
Turn is next.
Oh yes, turn left, turn right. Simple.
Yes, but also turn on, turn off for lights, TV, or machines. Turn up, turn down for volume or to arrive somewhere.
Turn up can also mean arrive.
Exactly. Only 10 people turned up at the party.
Give up, to stop trying. I give up. Find out, to discover information. I need to find out the train time.
Wow, that's a lot of phrasal verbs, but I feel I can use them.
Yes,
Just pick one or two and start using them this week. Before we go, a small practice for you. I am looking forward to the weekend. I put off my homework until tomorrow. I get along with my colleagues.
Repeat them, use them, and listen for them in movies, songs, and conversations.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
We'd also love to hear from you. Comment below. What are you looking forward to this week? Or share another phrasal verb you know.
Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.